First of all, nice to see you. The first question is, what are your feelings about this area?
Thanks a lot. The area is beautiful. We are here only third day. This is our first trip, and we are really very surprised. It's beautiful area. We are very happy that we are here.
Where are you belong, sir?
We are from Slovakia. Slovakia, in the center of Europe.
If you comparison between Slovakia and Pakistan, which is a beautiful country?
We are pretty similar because we have also a lot of beautiful mountains. Of course, definitely Pakistan is bigger and the mountains are higher. Yes, we are a small country, also very beautiful, but Pakistan is a really beautiful country.
Acha, well, I'm very happy to discuss with you. Can you give some message from the foreign tourists?
So we would like to thank you, Pakistani and people, for the hospitality. We are very happy here and best greetings. So thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.
थैंक यू। पाकिस्तान के बारे में इनकी राय ये है कि पाकिस्तान एक बहुत ही पुरअमन मुल्क है पाकिस्तान, और पाकिस्तान के लोग बड़े मुतहम्मिल हैं और इनको यहाँ पे आके बहुत अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है। और इन्होंने पैगाम दिया है कि जो आउट ऑफ कंट्री लोग रहते हैं कि वो पाकिस्तान को देखें। पाकिस्तान दुनिया का सबसे हसीन मुल्क है, इनका ये कहना है। ठीक है जी, अल्लाह हाफिज़।